Hey guys, right now we're about to go to the beach. So
yeah.
Never know which way their lines are gonna go.
we gotta go find a new spot.
Yeah, I don't want to be where they're
Okay.
fishing.
Really, man? You gotta be fishing. We're heading to the spot right now. I'm with the boy.
What's up?
Just me and him. Yeah.
Let's
So-
go to the beach.
Let's go get away. Okay, so we're almost at our place. We're actually
Finding a spot.
Yeah, we're finding a spot. We're not really there yet, but we're on the golf cart. We're heading there. Yeah, we should be there any minute now. See you there. Spot? Is this a spot, Mom? Oh, look at the beach. It's so pretty.
You got the country music.
Down here in Texas, that water's just brown.
Okay, well that guy went.
Oh, actually, it looks pretty blue out there. Y'all see that? Yeah, all the way out there. All the way out there, y'all see that? It looks pretty nice. I think, what do you think is better, Galveston or? What do you think is better, Galveston or Crystal Beach?
I'm gonna go with Crystal Beach.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with Crystal Beach.
I think Galveston sand is much better though.
I think Galveston is just more, like, populated.
Yeah, it's like, and you have to find parking and stuff.
Yeah, and it's probably more expensive to get there anyways.
Yeah.
So I would have to go with Crystal Beach.
Yep.
But Crystal Beach.
The sand isn't as good as Galveston.
Oh, whoa. We just went over that. That's it. So, I wonder if someone made that. Like, just dug it all out.
There's no way, because look.
Yeah. It goes all the way to the sewer. There's a lot of people out here.
It's great. It's so hot, dude.
We'll see y'all when we get to our destination. Guys, I think we found our place. Is this our place? Okay, this is our place. Okay, guys, we are here.
Finally.
So, let's add some more pictures to that sick montage. There's the ocean and beach montage. Guys, we are leaving right now. It was an epic day at the beach, right?
Yeah, it was.
So we're on the golf carts heading out right at this moment.